So I've got kind of a mess here, and I figured I would take a look. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, let's take it off of this. I was wondering what I was going to mount. What have I got to mount? Oh, I was wondering what I was going to mount the tiny magnet motor on. But I guess I can use this block. That was the second time I blew this up. So the PETG is not as strong as I was hoping. And I need a brush. The PETG is not as strong as I was hoping. And my printer is not capable of printing what's the deal here? My printer is not capable of printing carbon fiber, nylon, without serious modification. So I don't feel like it's worth the effort of trying to modify my little printer. And I mean, I can afford to buy a printer, but you know, now that I said that, I wonder if it would be worth getting a small printer and printing the nylon, the carbon fiber, to test to see if I could blow it up or if it would withstand, survive not blowing up. Come on. Well, good news is I got more little feet. Those are so cute. Yeah, I need to get the brush and clean this off, but I figured I'd do it after I disassembled. Is it coming out? Taking forever. I'll go get a drill bit. So it had to have been the rotor that cut loose first, and then the it busted the little cover. I want to see how many magnets are still left down inside of here, because I had the box covering it, but I still had a magnet go all the way on the floor behind me. So I don't know if there's more that snuck out of the box. I mean, it was nice having the box over it to keep it from flinging all over the room, but I still have to say I'm disappointed that the PETG didn't hold up better. And my printing, what I considered a new printing technique, I was, oh, look at that, it's got a crack in the bottom. I mean, it really blasted it. There are magnets hanging around down there, that's why it won't. It turns, oh, just, anyway. Get the feet off of it. I'm going to try to do better with my wiring. I've actually been improving gosh, what a disaster everywhere. Okay, let's see what we've got. There's a magnet. Yeah, this one's busted off too. It just, the whole thing came apart. Okay, so let's see how many magnets we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have all the magnets accounted for. So that is good news. Well, that's the, it looks like the stator survived. I don't know if I'm going to try this a third time. I just really don't see the point in beating myself over the head again with it when I know that it just, the materials just aren't going to work. I mean, these magnets, they were smaller than the original magnets that I had designed the rotor for. And so they just dropped in and I glued them in with epoxy. But you can see what failed was the actual, the rotor itself. So it broke and then just, not in just one place, it just shattered. Just insane. But this one looks good. I don't know, it makes me wonder if it has anything to do with balance. I just don't know. But it's not going to slow me down. I'm going to keep experimenting and we will see where it leads us.